In this video we have another trigonometric integral to evaluate. I'm going to rewrite this. Got 1 over secant of x, tangent of x, and as usual if you want to pause the video and try it yourself, feel free to do so. But I'm going to look at this as the side over here. Secant in the denominator can be written as 1 over cosine, and then tangent is sine x or cosine of x. So if I multiply this out, I'll get sine x, and then cosine times cosine is going to be cosine squared. So I have sine x over cosine squared, and multiply numerator and denominator by the reciprocal of that, and this will become the integral. So we're going to have cosine squared cosine squared x over sine. Again, this is sine over cosine squared in the denominator, multiplied by the reciprocal, numerator and denominator, we get this dx. And at this point doesn't look good for a u substitution there, so let's rewrite this. Cosine squared of x, again using basic fundamental identity, sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to 1. So I can replace the cosine squared by 1 minus sine squared of x. And that's over sine of x. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide through by sine. This is the integral of 1 over sine of x. Now 1 over sine of x, I can write that as cosecant, because I do have a formula for the integral of cosecant. And then this will be minus, and then sine squared of x divided by sine of x will give me 1 minus sine of x dx. And then I can just integrate individually. So breaking this up, I'd have the integral of cosecant of x. I have a formula for that. That's minus natural log of absolute cosecant of x plus cotangent of x. And then here the antiderivative, or the integral of sine x, is minus cosine of x. And then I have a negative there, so that makes it a plus. Then I have the constant of integration. So this is the solution for this one. A negative natural log of absolute value of cosecant of x plus cotangent of x plus cosine of x plus your constant. Now I want to caution you here again, when you're working these problems, especially if you're working them out of a textbook or something where you have the answer available to check, sometimes they'll simplify this, so they could make this negative over here using properties of logarithms, put the power here and simplify this, and the answer would look different. This would actually come out with ln cosecant of x minus cotangent of x. That would be a little exercise involving trigonometry. But for right now, we'll leave this answer this way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.